FIFA World Cup 2026 shorthand dictation passage approx 1000 words at the rate of 100 words per minute. Let's start. The FIFA World Cup 2026 will be remembered as one of the most remarkable tournaments in the history of international football. For the first time, the competition was jointly hosted by three nations: Canada, Mexico, and the United States. It also featured an expanded format with 48 participating teams instead of the traditional 32. The new structure provided opportunities for many emerging football nations to compete on the world's biggest sporting stage. Millions of spectators attended the matches in modern stadiums, while billions of football fans followed the tournament through television broadcasts and digital platforms. The atmosphere throughout the tournament reflected the universal appeal of football and the power of sport to unite people across different cultures, languages, and continents. The tournament began with colorful opening ceremonies celebrating the history, diversity, and sporting traditions of the host nations. Supporters from every corner of the globe traveled long distances to witness the matches and cheer for their favorite teams. Streets were decorated with national flags, football songs echoed through the cities, and local businesses welcomed visitors with enthusiasm. The event generated significant economic activity through tourism, hospitality, transportation, and entertainment, while also promoting cultural exchange among the participating countries. The expanded format made the group stage more competitive than ever before. Several nations appearing in the World Cup for the first time demonstrated impressive performances against experienced opponents. Traditional football powers had to work hard to quality for the knockout rounds, as every match demanded tactical discipline, physical fitness, and mental strength. Coaches carefully analyzed their opponents, adjusted formations, and relied on both experienced veterans and talented young players. Goalkeepers produced remarkable saves, defenders displayed outstanding organization, midfielders controlled possession, and forwards delighted fans with spectacular goals. The knockout stage produced several unforgettable encounters. Many matches were decided by narrow margins, while others extended into extra time and dramatic penalty shootouts. Every victory increased confidence, while every defeat ended the dreams of another ambitious nation. Fans witnessed moments of great sportsmanship as players comforted disappointed opponents after closely contested matches. The tournament once again demonstrated that football is not only about winning trophies but also about respect, teamwork, discipline, and fair play. One of the most impressive stories of the competition was the consistent performance of Spain. The Spanish team combined technical excellence with disciplined defending and creative attacking football. Throughout the tournament, they maintained possession, effectively moved the ball with confidence, and created numerous scoring opportunities. Their coaches emphasized patience, teamwork, and tactical flexibility. Every player understood his responsibility and contributed to the overall success of the team. Their performances earned praise from football experts, former players, and supporters around the world. Argentina also enjoyed another memorable campaign led by a determined group of experienced professionals and promising young talented. The team displayed resilience and attacking quality throughout the tournament. They overcome difficult opponents during the knockout rounds and reached the final after a series of impressive victories. Their supporters created an unforgettable atmosphere in every stadium, singing continuously and encouraging their players until the final whistle. Argentina once again proved why it remains one of the greatest footballing nations in the world. England delivered one of their strongest World Cup performances in recent years. Their balanced squad combined youthful energy with experienced leadership. The team advanced confidently through the tournament and reached the semi-finals after several disciplined displays. Although they narrowly missed the opportunity to contest the final, they continued to fight with determination and eventually secured a respectable finish. Their campaign demonstrated the growing strength and consistency of English football on the international stage. France, Belgium, Morocco, Norway, Colombia, and several other nations also produced memorable performances that attracted worldwide admiration. Some underdog teams surprised established football powers by displaying fearless attacking football and excellent tactical organization. Their achievements inspired young footballers in their respective countries and highlighted the increasing competitiveness of international football. Every participating nation contributed to the excitement and unpredictability of the tournament. The final attracted enormous global attention. Football supporters gathered in homes, public viewing areas, restaurants, and stadium fan zones to witness the championship match. Both finalists entered the field with confidence after overcoming strong opposition throughout the competition. The match featured disciplined defending, skillful passing, and several exciting attacking moves. Every position carried enormous significance as both teams searched for the decisive breakthrough. The tension remained high until the closing stages of the contest. Spain ultimately emerged as the FIFA World Cup 2026 champions after defeating Argentina in a closely contested final. The victory reflected months of careful preparation, outstanding teamwork, and exceptional technical ability. The players celebrated with their coaching staff, families, and thousands of traveling supporters during the medal ceremony. Emotions filled the stadium as the captain proudly lifted the famous FIFA World Cup trophy before an enthusiastic international audience. Fireworks illuminated the night sky while supporters celebrated an unforgettable sporting achievement. Beyond the results on the field, the FIFA World Cup 2026 demonstrated the continuing evolution of modern football. Advanced technology, including the video assistant referee system and goal line technology, assisted match officials in making accurate decisions. Sports science, fitness monitoring, and data analysis played increasingly important roles in team preparation. At the same time, football continued to preserve its emotional appeal, where passion, determination, and teamwork remained more valuable than individual talent alone. The tournament also encouraged young people to participate in sports, maintain physical fitness, and develop qualities such as discipline, cooperation, leadership, and perseverance. Schools, football academics, and community clubs organized special programs inspired by the World Cup. Children dreamed of representing their countries on the international stage, while experienced players reminded everyone that success requires years of dedication, continuous learning, and unwavering commitment. The FIFA World Cup 2026 concluded as a memorable celebration of international friendship, sporting excellence, and human determination. It reminded the world that football has the unique ability to bring people together regardless of nationality, language, religion, or culture. The tournament created unforgettable memories for players, coaches, officials, volunteers, and supporters alike. As one World Cup ended, attention naturally turned towards the future, with millions of football enthusiasts already looking forward to the next global championship and another opportunity to celebrate the beautiful game. Stop. Thank you.